Hello, Jen and Reviews here, and today I would love to review this bottle warmer by Grownsy. This is model N1T. It has very um, helpful instructions. I recommend you read them before you operate the warmer. So this is basically how it looks. So this is what you want to do. You want to add water from this measurement cup, and then you put this here. Put the bottle inside. You can also heat up food, and then this is going to close, and after that you can turn it on and off. So it has four functions. You're going to turn it on and off, and then here you're going to heat it up, and you can add time and add volume, or add time or add more heat or less heat. So that depends on what you're doing. And also here it has the chart based on the type of bottle that you have: plastic, silicone, even if it's a breast milk bag, and the times that you need to go for. The maximum time that I see here is for 8 ounces, 8.5 minutes. But other than that, it's pretty quickly, very easy to use. I like it. So I hope you check it out if you're looking for a warmer. I will definitely consider this one. Thank you for watching.